Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can easily download PDF, doc or any document file directly from Google Chrome. So simply in order to do this, just first of all you have to open your Google Chrome app, and now when you successfully open your Google Chrome app, in next just you have to type the file name. At the end you have to add the extension, like I want to download the health file in docs format. So simply just I have typed the extension at the end and now click on enter. So here you can see that all the docs file simply available here, so you can click on any file and directly download the doc file. Now here I want to download the same file in PDF format, so simply just at the end enter the PDF extension. So here you can see that all the PDF files are available here, so you can easily click and download any file. So in this way just you have to type at the end extension and you can download any book, any file from Google Chrome.